time word problem. Often, you will need to solve word problems that involve time. The biggest key with word problems is to just think them through carefully. Here are a few other tips. You can't always just add or subtract the hour and minutes because time is based on 12, not 10. So, instead, count the time. For example, for 3 hours after 11 o'clock a.m., think 1 later is 12 o'clock noon. 2 hours is 1 o'clock p.m. 3 hours is 2 o'clock p.m. Remember to include a.m. or p.m. When you're finished, ask yourself if your answer makes sense. Examples. Alfred started school at 8:15 a.m. and finished at 3 p.m. How much time passed? Let's solve this one by counting the time. From 8:15 to 9 o'clock is 45 minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 60 minus 15 equals 45 minutes. Now, let's count the hours from 9 a.m. till 3 p.m. 9 to 10 is 1 hour. 10 to 11 makes 2 hours. 11 to 12 makes 3 hours. 12 to 1 makes 4 hours. 1 to 2 makes 5 hours. 2 to 3 makes 6 hours. 6 hours plus the 45 minutes. Answer: 6 hours, 45 minutes. Let's think about whether or not our answer makes sense. Is this a reasonable amount of time for him to be at school? Yes, it is. It is 7:50 p.m. and Lydia needs to practice the piano for 30 minutes. What time will it be when she is finished? We need to add 30 minutes to 7:50, but we can't just add the minutes because we'd get 7:80, and there's no such time. So instead, let's think, how many minutes does it take to get to 8 p.m.? It takes 10 minutes. There are 60 minutes in an hour. 60 minus 50 equals 10. So, at 8 p.m., she will have 10 minutes done. How much time will she still have left? 30 minutes minus 10 minutes equals 20 minutes. She'll still have 20 minutes left. What is 20 minutes after 8 o'clock? 8:20, of course. Answer: 8:20 p.m. Does this answer make sense? Yes, if she starts at 7:50 p.m. and practices for 30 minutes, it makes sense that she'd be done at 8:20 p.m. Anton and Titus mowed lawns for 3 hours and 20 minutes. They finished at 1:30 p.m. What time did they start? In this problem, we need to work backwards to figure out what time they started. Let's start by working with the minutes. What time is 20 minutes before 1:30 p.m.? 30 minus 20 equals 10, so 1:10 p.m. We've taken care of the 20 minutes, but now we need to work with the 3 hours. What is 3 hours before 1:10 p.m.? Let's count backwards. 1 hour before would be 12:10 p.m. 2 hours before would be 11:10 a.m. Notice we changed to a.m. since we're now before noon. 3 hours before would be 10:10 a.m. Answer: 10:10 a.m. Does this make sense? Yes, 10:10 a.m. plus 3 hours and 20 minutes would be 1:30 p.m. Let's review the lesson.